Hey guys! Oh, sorry. Hi, today we will cook Tom Yum soup. This is national dish of Thailand and Laos. Let's go! We'll need mushrooms, chicken, coconut milk, onion, tomatoes and seafood. First we cook the chicken broth. While the broth is cooking, we will prepare the rest of the products. Remove chicken skin and make the fire smaller. I also add flavoring to Tom Yum soup. While our soup is cooking, we will start cutting vegetables. In my Tom Yum soup recipe, I add onions because we like them. There is no onion in the classic recipe. I think half is enough. Our broth is ready. In the meantime, we will put the rice to boil. We need 200 grams. Let's put the rice on the gas. Our chicken breast is ready. I will remove it in order to separate it from the bone and cut it into small pieces. I open the coconut milk. This is my favorite brand of coconut milk. Does this company exist in your country? Share in the comments. I add mushrooms to the broth. Then I add onion. I cut chicken breast. Our rice is already cooked. I take it off the fire. In the soup I add coconut milk. After that I add tomatoes. And I mix all the ingredients in the soup. Now I add flavoring to the soup. I pour boiling water into our seafood. This amount is enough for 2 dishes, 4 servings. You can use more according to your taste. Now I'm going to pour myself a portion. Separately, I add rice.